guys. I am in Oklahoma. I came here for the tax sale this week. I did buy 5 properties there, but now I am in Wellston, Oklahoma, checking on a flip house that I'm doing. It's only the second time I've even seen this house. It's coming along pretty nicely. Back over here in the corner, there's gonna be a wood-burning fireplace. This is gonna end up being a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom. It's on 1.25 acres. There's a bathroom. 1.25 acres, really good school district. But yeah, it's coming along. They're doing all the texturing right now. Should be painting by the end of the week. This is the master bedroom. It's got some cathedral ceilings in here. Pretty cool bathroom. Got the counters in. Of course, the toilet's gonna be right there. It's got the tub over here. It's gonna be the shower area, obviously. But yeah, it is coming along. Got a big closet right there. Now this whole place is completely different. Like, it used to have a front door where this window is. So obviously we moved it over here, and this was completely shut off, like just a little walkway into this living room. So we opened it all up. We're gonna make a little island, kind of a bar right there into the kitchen. This back door is crazy because it used to be over there and it looked so out of place. It was really strange. But got the laundry room over here with their little pocket door, washer and dryers on each side. It's cool. It's a pretty cool property though. Obviously doing a big porch, wood deck out here. Before, just had a couple of cement steps going down. So that's gonna be nice for whoever buys this. Should be a good flip. It's definitely coming along. It's taking a little longer than I had hoped, but it's looking good. All right, this might be a little sketchy. My contractor's got this ladder here, barely in place, to do his texturing. See that? It's literally dangling on one side. It's a little crazy. He's not skinny, so it's real dangerous for him. But anyways, this used to be just one big open room. So we've actually made this into 2 bedrooms with a closet for linens, 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom up here. So it was 2 bed, 2 bath basically before. And now it's 3 bed and 3 full bath. You can see out there the front. It's a beautiful property. Pretty cool. Here's the other bedroom. Looks just like that one, pretty much. But yeah, they haven't textured up here yet, just the drywall and stuff. But this ended up being basically a brand new build, which is crazy. We were just gonna do a couple little things. It's a bathroom, but it's turning out to be a whole lot more. I'm gonna show you the front of the house. Squeezed by this crazy ladder situation again. Whoa, it's super sketchy. This front door is cool. Put glass in it. It's the front porch. There is the house itself. Front covered porch right there. Turned out pretty nice. Yeah, it's gonna be a cool project. We also added this commercial HVAC unit, which is pretty cool. It's a combo. It's a heat and air unit, which is what they use on commercial buildings a lot. But I got a good deal on it, so I went ahead and just did that. It didn't even have central heat and air before, so this property is coming along though. Obviously, we haven't done all the siding and stuff yet, but you can see it's just a real serene and beautiful out here. It's got a storm cellar as well right there. And that's the water well over there, that little bitty house looking thing. Water well right there. So there we go. Let me know what y'all think. It's kind of cool. Here's the details of this property. So this is in Wellston, Oklahoma. It's a smaller little community. It's about probably 30 miles east of Oklahoma City. So it's definitely out in the country. But yeah, this deal came across as a radio lead, actually. And we ended up getting the deal for 30 grand. So we tried to wholesale it. No buyers wanted to work out here because all their contractors are in Oklahoma City. So we couldn't find anybody. We couldn't wholesale it. So anyways, the seller was telling me about a contractor that lives next door. She said that he knows the house inside and out because she's done some work for him and that kind of thing. So I ended up contacting that contractor and kind of talked to him, several conversations, and decided that, you know, I liked and trusted him. So I figured I would go ahead and take it down myself because, you know, I had somebody to work on it. He literally lives next door. Here's a little storage unit, which is rocked, kind of crazy. But so I had the contractor that lives next door. So I'm like, okay, well, I'll buy it myself if he lives next door. And like I said, it seemed like he was affordable and I could trust him and that kind of thing. So went ahead and did it. The plan was, so I bought the deal for 30. I told him my total budget was like 25 tops. And that was, you know, just to kind of finish it out. The plan originally was to go and make it a 3-bed, like 2.5 bath. We ended up making it a 3-3, but we were just going to do it real simple and clean and easy. But, you know, we ended up reconfiguring the entire stairway to where it made more sense. Redid the entire kitchen, completely redesigned it. We actually ended up, what did we do? Yeah, the laundry room was way bigger and it had like a little half bath in there. It made no sense at all the way it was laid out. So now it's just a washer and dryer on each side with the pocket door so that the kitchen could actually be bigger, because that's what people really want. Kitchens and master bedrooms, you know, sell houses. So master bedroom was already nice, but the bathroom didn't even exist. So we made a big master bath, master closet. Ended up, like I said, reconfiguring the kitchen to make it all open. So the kitchen was completely closed off to the dining room, and the dining room is completely closed off to the living room. They were like 3 separate rooms. Now it's kind of one big room, even though the kitchen and dining's on the side of the living room, but it's all open now at least. So that wasn't in the original plans because it cost too much, but we went ahead and opened it up just so it would look better, you know, because it'll definitely sell better. But that's kind of what we did. So I'm going to end up spending not a whole lot more because the contractor's really hooking me up, actually. And also he knows better places to buy some materials that are much cheaper than Lowe's and Home Depot, which is where we end up getting most things typically. But he got some lumber. It was going to be like 12 grand or something like that just for the lumber that we needed at Home Depot. He ended up finding it at this other place in some other small town kind of near here somewhere. I think it's like 30 minutes from here, even further from Oklahoma City. But he found that for like 7 grand. So it was almost half the price. Exact same lumber that we needed. So that was really awesome. I mean, he basically saved me, you know, $5,000 or $6,000 just by doing that. So he's doing a lot of extra things for free, like the covered porch on the front and the big wood deck on the back. That wasn't even part of the original plan. I just said, you know, we'll just cover the steps just to make it nicer and affordable, you know. It's not like this is a high-end house. But so I'll end up spending about 30, I'm guessing, maybe 35, probably 35 most likely, and I bought it for 30. So with closing and everything, I'll probably be in it for about, I don't know, 65, 67, somewhere in that ballpark. But I'm pretty confident that it'll be worth about 170 when I'm done. because now it's super nice. I mean, we even re-leveled the house. We put all new plumbing in, all new electric, all this stuff. Like, a lot of that stuff wasn't even part of the original plan. The contractor's just doing it for me. Just because he wants my business, because he knows we flip a lot of houses, you know. We always have 3 or 4 flips going on at the same time. So I think he's doing it for that reason, which is really cool, because I've helped him out a lot too. But yeah, got to treat your contractors good, and they'll treat you well as well. But yeah, all in all, I think it'll be worth about 170, and I'll be in it for less than 70 for sure. What's funny is my contractor likes it so much, because he lives next door, like I said. He actually offered to buy it as is for 150 without me finishing the rest of it. As you can see, we haven't even done the siding. The house is not even painted inside or out yet. You know, it's not even done yet. We still got another probably 3 weeks, 4 weeks on this project before it's complete. So he's offered to buy it for 150 as is. So he's actually a, you know, an ex-vet. He was in the, I think he said the, was he in the Marines? I think he said, maybe the Navy. I don't remember, but anyway, he's trying to get a VA loan. So he's working on that. But you know, the project's moving forward no matter what, because I'm just going to keep working on it in case he doesn't qualify or whatever. But it's kind of cool to know that, you know, it's turning into such a nice of a house that he actually wants to move into it himself. So anyway, this is Work Wednesdays. This is what I'm doing today. I was at the auction all morning. I did buy 5 properties. All the houses pretty much went for retail. So I ended up buying 5 lots, same as I did last year. I bought 5 lots last year. And those 5 lots last year, I spent like 22 grand. I think I'll probably end up making a couple of hundred on those for the ones last year. And today, I actually only spent 21,000, I think, today. But they're all buildable lots that I can probably triple my money minimum on the ones that I got. So hopefully that'll work out. I'll keep y'all posted on that. But anyways, appreciate you guys watching. Thanks a lot. I know it's a little crazy, probably shaky everywhere, but thanks for watching. This is what I'm doing today, so working it out. Please like if you haven't already, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. Thanks a lot. See you guys later.